Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will guide you on how to automatically convert any currency into your preferred currency. Like USD, convert automatically to Philippine Peso. First, I will show you how it works. As you can see, the price automatically converted into Peso. So USD 0.123 is equivalent to 6.15 pesos. Let's check and confirm if the conversion is correct in Google Currency Converter tool. Search in Google for the converter and input here our price, USD price 0.123. Then in peso, in Philippine peso, it's 6.15. As you can see, it's correct. Same result in our sheet. Now let's create the formula using the formula guide below. Cell number multiplied by Google Finance currency from USD to Philippine Peso currency. Let's add new entry. USD melon, and the price is 450, and in this cell where we put our formula, so the cell number where the currency, where the price is located, which is this one, this, and multiply by Google Finance, open parenthesis, open quote, currency, and your your current currency, which is USD, and you want to convert into PHP. So close quote and close parenthesis, and then press enter. So here's the conversion of 0.450 USD price into peso. So into peso, converted into 22.50 pesos. So what if we add new entry again? So USD, and let's say watermelon, and the price is 0.350. What we're going to do is to copy the, copy the formula where we input it, copy, and then right click, paste formula. As you can see, the cell number automatically updated into the next one. So it's C8. That's it. So simple. Visit the link below to look for your preferred currency. This is the code.